Chinese ambassador to Mongolia Shen Mingjuan and Mongolian Foreign Minister Batman Batsetsek on Monday visited the central Mongolian province of Tuf to hand over relief materials provided by China to 500 herdsmen affected by the extreme wintry weather. This winter, Mongolia has been hit by a severe zoot, a Mongolian term to describe a severely cold winter when many livestock die because the ground is frozen or covered in snow. They handed over the relief materials including warm clothes, family packages, food and other necessities to herder families in Erdingsim of the province. More than 4 million head of livestock have died so far this winter due to the zoot, according to the country's State Emergency Commission. The promotion of livestock husbandry is seen as the most viable way to diversify the landlocked country's mining-dependent economy. At the end of 2023, the number of livestock in Mongolia stood at 64.7 million, according to the National Statistics Office.